Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one of my favorite supplements is black seed oil, as black seed oil has been shown to have so many benefits. So I usually like to ingest my black seed oil, but I also can use it for my hair. And this black seed oil by Health Harmony is my favorite, as not only do I get the benefits of the black seed oil, but at the same time, I do not have to taste it. And you might wonder, how come? Well, this presentation of black seed oil comes in capsules. So basically it's the liquid oil inside capsules. And it is amazing because I can get the many benefits of this oil and I do not have to taste it. I can just swallow it and just get done with it. So this bottle has 120 capsules and the suggested intake is of 2 capsules per day, meaning that this bottle will last you around 2 months. And as you can see on the label, it is pure black seed oil. So you definitely know what you are getting with this Health Harmony black seed oil. And that is my point of view.